guys, welcome back to NextLux Reviews. If you love luxury vehicles, futuristic technology, and insane road machines that feel like a moving 5-star hotel, then you are in the right place. Today I'm bringing you something truly different, and honestly something that feels like it came straight out of the future. This is the brand new electric GMC Motorhome concept for 2027. A massive luxury RV that runs on battery power and even uses solar energy to extend its range. Yes, a motorhome that can partially power itself from the sun while you travel across the country. Before we jump into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury car and motorhome reviews here on NextLux Reviews. Now imagine this for a second. You're driving across the highways of the United States, the mountains of Canada, or the beautiful countryside of the UK. But instead of stopping at hotels every night, your hotel is traveling with you. That is exactly what this futuristic motorhome from GMC is designed to deliver. The first thing you notice about this motorhome is its insane road presence. This thing is huge, bold, and extremely futuristic. The exterior design looks more like a luxury armored vehicle than a traditional RV. The glossy black finish combined with sharp body lines gives it a premium and powerful appearance. From a distance, it already looks expensive. But once you get closer, the design details really stand out. Let's start with the front look, because that's where the personality of this motorhome really shines. The front fascia features a massive grille with the bold GMC logo sitting right in the center. Even though this is an electric motorhome and doesn't need a traditional grille for cooling like gasoline vehicles, the design still keeps that aggressive truck-style identity that GMC is known for. The LED headlights are shaped in a modern square pattern with bright daytime running lights that make the vehicle look futuristic and extremely premium, especially at night. Below the headlights, you get additional LED light bars and a reinforced bumper that gives the motorhome a rugged appearance. It almost feels like a luxury off-road vehicle mixed with a high-end limousine. When this thing is on the road, people will definitely turn their heads. Moving to the side profile, this is where you realize just how big and luxurious this motorhome really is. The body is extremely long, giving plenty of interior space. The windows are large and tinted, which not only gives privacy, but also allows natural light to enter the living area inside. Another thing that stands out on the side is the triple-axle wheel setup. Yes, this motorhome runs on 6 wheels instead of 4. The large alloy wheels have a premium multi-spoke design that adds to the luxury look, while also providing stability for such a massive vehicle. These wheels are built to handle long road trips, heavy loads, and rough highway conditions. The side mirrors are large and high-tech, designed to give maximum visibility for the driver. Some versions even include digital camera mirrors to reduce blind spots. There are also integrated LED side lights and subtle body lines that make the motorhome look sleek despite its massive size. Let's talk about the back look, because that's another area where this motorhome really stands out. The rear design is clean but modern. You get full-width LED taillights stretching across the back, giving it a futuristic light signature at night. The rear also includes a smart storage compartment system, where you can store travel gear, camping equipment, or outdoor furniture. There's also a power rear step and external charging ports located near the back for the electric system. Since this motorhome runs on battery power, you can charge it at EV charging stations, just like other electric vehicles. One of the coolest things about this motorhome is the solar system integrated on the roof. Large solar panels are installed on the top, which help generate additional electricity while the vehicle is parked or even while driving under sunlight. This doesn't fully replace charging, but it can power appliances inside the motorhome and extend battery efficiency during long trips. Now let's step inside, because this is where things get really interesting. As soon as you walk into the living area, it feels less like an RV and more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior is designed with premium materials, soft ambient lighting, and modern furniture that creates a relaxing environment. The living area is spacious, with a comfortable sofa seating arrangement where you can relax after a long drive. Some versions even include reclining seats and a large smart TV mounted on the wall. This space is perfect for watching movies, relaxing with family, or even working remotely while traveling. Right next to the living area, you get a fully equipped kitchen. And when I say fully equipped, I mean it. The kitchen includes a modern electric stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, storage cabinets, and a sleek countertop for cooking. Everything is designed to be compact but functional, so you can easily prepare meals while traveling. The cabinets use high-quality materials and soft-close technology, giving it the same feel you would expect from a luxury home kitchen. There is also smart lighting under the cabinets that makes the space look elegant at night. Moving further inside, you reach the washroom area. The bathroom in this motorhome is surprisingly spacious. It includes a modern toilet, a stylish sink, and a glass-enclosed shower area. The materials used here feel premium, with clean surfaces that are easy to maintain. Even the lighting inside the bathroom is designed to create a hotel-style experience. And now we reach the bedroom area, which is honestly one of the best parts of this motorhome. The bedroom includes a large, comfortable bed with premium bedding and soft lighting. There are storage cabinets around the bed for clothes and travel items, and large windows that allow natural light during the day. Some models even include a small workspace or reading corner inside the bedroom, which is perfect for people who travel long-term or work remotely. Overall, the interior design focuses on comfort, practicality, and luxury. It feels more like a modern studio apartment than a traditional RV. Now, let's talk about performance, because even though this is a luxury it still needs to deliver solid power on the road. Since this is an electric motorhome, it runs on a powerful battery system similar to high-end electric trucks. The electric motors provide instant torque, which means even a large vehicle like this can accelerate smoothly and handle highways comfortably. Electric vehicles also have the advantage of being very quiet. So when you're driving this motorhome across long highways or scenic routes, the ride is much more peaceful compared to traditional diesel MOT range. The battery range is expected to be strong, enough for long-distance travel. And thanks to fast charging technology, you can recharge the battery at EV stations across North America and Europe. Combined with the solar panels on the roof, the vehicle becomes more energy efficient during long road trips. Another benefit of electric power is lower maintenance compared to traditional engines. There are fewer moving parts, which means fewer mechanical problems over time. Now, let's talk about price, because a luxury motorhome like this definitely isn't cheap. Based on current estimates and similar luxury electric RV concepts, the price of this futuristic GMC motorhome could range somewhere between $700,000 and $900,000 US dollars depending on customization and features. Yes, that's expensive, but when you think about it, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying a moving luxury home that allows you to travel anywhere while carrying your living space with you. For people who love long road trips across the United States, Canada, or even parts of Europe, this kind of motorhome offers a completely different lifestyle. Instead of booking hotels, planning flights, or worrying about accommodation, you simply drive wherever you want, and your home travels with you. Electric technology, solar energy system, and luxury interior. This motorhome feels like a glimpse into the future of travel. So if you're someone who loves luxury vehicles, road adventures, and cutting-edge technology, this electric GMC motorhome is definitely something worth watching in the coming years. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more luxury vehicles, futuristic cars, and insane motorhomes like this one, make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep chasing the future, and I'll see you in the next review right here on NextLux Reviews.